Dear chess friends, today my video will be about prophylaxis. Prophylaxis is not defense idea like many people think. Prophylaxis that when you controlling opponent's ideas. Prophylaxis that's when you prevent opponent ideas. Prevent opponents improve position, improve pieces, improve pawn. So let's see position what we have on the board. If we evaluate position, I will say this position near equal. Why? Black has good pawn construction to bishop, but white pieces stay very active and it should be like near equal. Okay, so what to do as black? Looks like we can play many moves. Bishop f6, queen d6 for example, right? Bishop d5 maybe. Yeah, but if you start thinking by prophylaxis, when you ask yourself questions, what idea has opponent? So we will find another move. That was game Gavrikov again Yusupov, and black asked himself, what idea has white? And answer is like that. So white's idea play queen d3, bishop c2. This idea checkmate. Yeah, and if g6, some sacrifice. If any f5, it will be weak black king, right? And pawn construction will be worse. That's one idea. And second idea, maybe c4, d5. So that's two idea what have white. So black understand that, and black play here move, which is Mark Dvoretsky called Grandmaster move. Rook c7, very strong move in this position. Why rook c7? Look, first of all, if queen d3, bishop f6, and if now bishop c2, it can play possible play g6. So I will defend king, and for any sacrifice, my rook from 7 rank defends black king. That's one. Also, after rook c7, we can play bishop f6. We can play queen c8 maybe to attack c3 pawn. Yeah, or queen a8. So that move has many ideas. White play queen d3. We develop. And white play knight g4. So what's white's idea? Again, looks like he want to play bishop c2, checkmate, and if g6, pawn under attack. So what to do? Black play h5. And now white made a mistake by move knight e3. Why it's mistake? Logically, that in this position white is not better. Yeah, white want to play for win, but objective white should take on f6, knight f6, and after take play c4. Position equal. Black will play rook d8 for example, right? So black don't have weaknesses, it should be equal. But white want to play for win. He play knight e3. Yeah, but he don't have like some advantage here real to play for win. Black play rook d7. Again prophylactics, preventing any d5 or c4. And rook also stay very nice here. White decided play g4. He still want to attack. Take. So black play g6. Why? One of idea bishop g7, second king g7, rook h8, and also defense king. White play rook e1, king g7. White continued like improving his position, like for attack rook e1, d1 stay, rook h8, and now white has good idea again take, and for example maybe queen g3 with idea queen e5 change queen, so that position will be against equal. But white decided continue on attack queen g3, black play rook h5, and now looks like what if he takes something, right? If he take queen f6, so queen e5 not possible. Yeah, so rook h5 not only improving rook with idea queen h4 and checkmate idea, black also preventing knight e5, knight f6 and queen e5. White decided play queen f4, and after bishop e7 now black has big advantage. Why? So we prevent exchange on f6, so to equalize, and black's idea play bishop d6 and queen h8, which is white king really weak. White playing for win, but this game was for loss, not for win. after queen c7, black improving, and after knight e5, queen h4, idea checkmate, queen g3, idea next, so if he take, there will be check and mate. So that's beautiful mate here. So by move queen g3, black not only continue on attack, he also defends rook. And after rook e3 and rook d8, white resign. Why? Because we want to play rook h8 and rook h1 mate. For example, in some line like knight g4 and knight f2, similar tactics what we saw already, check, check, and mate. So position was not so hard to play, right? In this position after rook c7, black just look what whites want. First of all, he just stabilized situation because black position was not so simple because pawn stayed there. If pawn will be on h7, black will play g6 and everything will be easy defended. But that's pawn h6 made some weaknesses for black. So white in some moment should just change bishop, knight for bishop, and change queen and made the draw. But white go to risk and lost. In the second game, which was in game Rosen against Cooper, after openings move like that, this position looks like Queen's Indian, but without knight f6, and black playing f5. White play very good move d5, and I will say about this position next, after develop some moves. Yeah, here. So, if white can normal develop pieces like bishop g2, castle, develop dark square bishop, and have plain move knight d4, white will be for sure better. After move d5, we just kill this b7 bishop, which it give for us big advantage. So that position is not nice. That position is better for white for sure. Black should play something very active and quickly, because if not, he will have a big troubles. So black decided take on d5, which exchange is again better for white. But again, if black do that, black should show something special here. If he not, by strategically, his position is badly. So black play bishop g7, and here, what to do? So here again, prophylactic move. What is black's idea? Ask white. Black's idea play knight a6, knight c5, and knight e4. Which idea exchange that knight, and after that d5 pawn will be weak. For example, after bishop g2, knight a6, unfortunately b4 not works because black has knight e4 and that's bishop attack rook. Take. Rook under attack, and if knight d4, for example, bishop d5. So black one pawn position is unclear. Or after bishop g2, castle, and knight c5, black bring knight on e4, and again position is not so clear again. So that's position unclear because d5 pawn it's so weak. So can white prevent this or not? So white asks questions. What idea has black? Answer: knight a6, knight c5. And white play very beautiful and strong move, rook b1. If you not think about prophylactics, if you not think about what black's idea has, right? Rook b1 is really strange move. What point to play like that, right? But idea next. So if opponent play here knight a6, it will be move b4. Stop the knight. Knight a6 and bishop b7 is very badly. And again, if white can play normal bishop g2 castle, black has many problems here. Like I say, that's two pieces very badly, plus worse pawn construction. I have a super pawn on d5. That's f5 pawn without e5 is not power or something. So strategically, black will be very badly. White will also develop bishop f4, queen d2, and finally win because really bad position. Black can't improve it. And if black play knight e4, after take, and knight g5, black again has a problem. He will lost e4 pawn. If bishop d2 here, take, take rook f8 because rook was under attack. Just simple move e3 to prevent any attack. Bishop also attack a6 knight, so he can't take this pawn. We have a 2 bishop advantage, and even after I will develop, even if we take on d5, white will have full compensation. White position very nice. So rook b1 just prevent develop that knight. And after move castle a5, knight a6, black decided to develop like this, but white play b4. So what black's idea was? Play knight c5. Now we prevent. So by move rook b1, we just kill black's game. Black can't attack d5 pawn. He can't play knight c5, knight e4. His strategy was bad, and white position much better. Pawn construction, pieces. Black decided to play c5, and after take knight d4, black is really badly. Knight e6 idea, that's pawn under attack, b5 under attack. So that position is big advantage. That's it. So in this video we saw it how white by one move rook b1 just kill all black strategy in this position. He not preventing one idea knight a6, no, he killed just all strategy, all ideas what black doing, like double up, double fianchetto, take on d5, so everything that was wrong. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please push like, subscribe for my channel, and write comments. Thank you very much. I wish you good luck and see you for next time. Bye bye.